Hey guys, so today I want to check out the world's largest Samsung Galaxy S4 extended battery at the moment when I'm recording this video. So I'm recording this video May the 14th, 2013, so if you watch this video later, there might be a new variant out that is bigger. But this battery is from Anker. It is 5200 milliamps. Now that means is that it's twice of what you would get in a Samsung Galaxy S4. So the Samsung Galaxy S4 battery is 2600 milliamps, the default one. So they have a kind of added two Galaxy S4 batteries, made it into one big fat one. And when you buy this one, you will get a bigger back that you put on also, which is pretty cool. So when we take a look at it here from the back, we can see some details here. Quick charge, some over voltage protections, and some other things. Pretty straightforward. Let's check it out. So you get two important parts here, and the first one is of course the new customized back. This new back here that you do get, that is I'm pretty sure it's made in the same material, even though I have the white one. It is having the same plastic feeling here, and it is bigger. Now the second thing is you do get, of course, is the battery. So a huge battery here that you do get, and you can see some details here. 3.8 in the voltage, the watt hour, the capacity 5200 milliamps. It is super huge. So let's try it out. So I will take out my original battery here. And then you can just quickly put this one in. Wow, that is huge. And now, of course, I can't put on this one because it doesn't really look that awesome. So I have to put on this one. So there we go. 5200 milliamps. That is a big fat chunk of battery. And it feels very good actually. It feels just as the normal Galaxy phone, but that it's thicker. And you can see also here they do have those basic stuff, like it has an opening here for your sound, and then also beautiful design here at the top to take pictures. Wow, that is a big guy. But you can see it is fully working here, no problems whatsoever. It actually feels pretty comfortable, I would say, to have this big one, because it has the same plastic material and it has very much rounded off sides here. So it fits very nicely into your hand. Now, of course, you do feel that it is a little bit thicker here, but I don't feel any quality problems here. I don't hear any weird noises when I try to push on it. And it rests very nicely here, at least in my hand. So quickly look here at the extended battery that you can pick up right now. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check out the availability. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I think many people that want to have a bigger battery at the moment will enjoy this one. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. And hopefully I will see you all guys in the next video. Yeah, peace.